surprise for you today for this episode. I cut my hair. Look. My hair is short. My hair was like down to like here of just longness. And then I cut it. Isn't that neat? I thought it was. Not important for happy twisting for beginners though. I still think it's neat though. I shaved it. And I cut it myself. My mom layered it though. Anyway. Today I was like, what am I supposed to do? Because I don't have a design for today. Well, I made monkey bodies. So I'm like, okay, I'll teach them this. So if you guys ready, I'll teach you how to make little monkeys. It'd be really cute if you put on their shoulders. Okay guys, let's get started. For this design, you'll need one balloon of your choosing. I'll be using brown. Pump it a little bit. And remember, this is going to be really quick because, well, it's very easy to do that. Maybe about a few hands good. Make a little flower puddle. Put the knot through the flower puddle. Make a pinch twist. Make a bubble for the forehead. I'm going to make a big forehead. Another bubble. And then take all of it and grab it and move it. There. So now I'm just going to do a little bubble. Squeeze. Oh, no, I'm doing my usual. Now, to make these unique legs, you're going to just do a few little bubbles. You're going to pour those. You're going to attach them all. And you're going to squeeze this and stretch it as much as you can. Then you're going to bring it down. He's going to have a very short tail. And then you're going to just move it like that. Bring it to the back. Turn the head around. And then this. That's weird. These are supposed to pop out. I'm just going to squeeze the tail through it and then pop this back, and that means this bubble will now stay. That means this will now stand. That easy. Now we're just going to draw on the simple little face, and this one doesn't have a face, so I'll just show you the two faces. One, you make two bubbles. Two slits to be the nostrils and a mouth. Now add a little bit in it. There's one monkey face. You can also make it like a tongue coming out. And then the one we just made, I'm going to do it closed like that. Add a few lines. Make a hump. Slits. Like that. There you go. And there's your super duper easy monkey for happy twisting for beginners. Thanks for being the third ever watching here on the third ever video. Itchy eye. Thanks and bye. Cue intro.